The Dentist module comes in two different versions. The Continental version features new, lower support rods to minimize interference with the operating light in the work zone, while the International version has an ergonomic instrument layout that makes instrument easier to grip. Both versions can house 5 instruments as standard and can, whenever necessary, be equipped with a 6th. The pneumatic arm brake, which can be disabled by touching a sensor in the handle, allows fast, precise instrument positioning. The 7-inch multi-touch screen provides a user-friendly interface that lets dentists set and display all the information on the dental unit, instrument and accessories. The smartphone-like full-touch control panel lets the dentist control the working modes of each individual instrument and provide a full array of real-time data. The turbine, micromotor, scaler, curing light and camera settings can all be adjusted to meet the specific needs of each type of dental treatment. Customized parameters can be saved on the individual operator's profile. We are talking of a multi-profile device. Designed for medical environments, it is both water and impact resistant, while the accelerometer ensures it can be positioned to suit the user's preference. With the integrated intraoral camera and/or integrated X-ray sensor, the full-touch control panel microprocessor allows for smooth X-ray image acquisition management. The optional left side pack lets the dentist place the control panel on the left side of instrument module. This includes an additional handle for better maneuverability, a feature much appreciated by left-handed dentists.